Say A letter words.
A.
Apple.
Apple. Arrow. Airplane. Ant.
Very good. Give clap. Very good. Now say B letter words. B letter words. Kavyamma. B letter words.
Cat.
Ball.
Ball.
Boy.
Boy.
Boat. Balloon.
Balloon.
మళ్ళీ చెప్పు. B letter words.
Boy. Balloon. Boat.
Ball.
Ball.
Very good. Now you say C letter words. Cat.
Cat.
Cup.
Cup.
Cow.
Cow.
Cap.
Cat.
Now you say. Give clap. Very good. D letter words, do you know? Do you know D letter words? Dog,
Doll.
doll,
Doll.
duck,
Duck.
donkey.
Donkey.
Now you say. Dog,
Doll.
doll,
Doll.
duck,
Duck.
donkey.
Donkey.
Very good. Clap yourself. Very good.